back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I have a well-paying work-from-home job for you today. This one does not require any kind of college degree, and it is from a huge brand, so we will just dive on in. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below. But the parent company, Shiseido Americas, now they make everything from sunscreen to all different kinds of beauty products, and they are the parent company to multiple high-end beauty brands, including NARS makeup products and Drunk Elephant, which is known to be very good for their skincare products. You can find NARS and Drunk Elephant in Sephora stores and maybe Ulta. I'm not sure about that. I know NARS is in Ulta, but they are hiring a customer relations specialist for their Drunk Elephant skincare brand. Now, as the title says, customer relations specialist, this is going to be a customer service job. They are looking for somebody to support their products and brand by providing information, answering questions, and responding to concerns. It says that their customer service team is the front line of support for their customers and interested parties. So it is not all completely phone-based. They are looking for someone to respond to customer inquiries via email, messaging, chat, and phone. So you'll have to work all of their correspondence channels. You'll maintain detailed records of customer interactions and internal information related to each ticket. Of course, when you find solutions to customer problems, you'll be contributing to the internal and external FAQ guides for product innovation. You'll contribute to international one sheet and internal resources for their global markets. You'll also assist in creating and maintaining content resources, including quick text, macros, and knowledge bases. You also respond to customer feedback via different online channels such as Bazaar Voice, Net Promoter, and other customer feedback applications. Now, again, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has demonstrated a productivity and proficiency using computer solutions. Someone who can actually adhere to their strict business hours, because they do have live support, so you have to be able to work your shift. You have to be able to maintain a positive, empathetic, and professional disposition towards customers. You may get those angry calls, and you have to handle them in a professional way. Of course, the ability to troubleshoot and resolve a conflict is always helpful in customer service roles. Now, as far as pay for this position, they are paying very well for a customer service position. Starting pay is anywhere from $56,800 a year all the way up to $85,200 a year. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that is okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.